Entrepreneurs, listen up. Your personal brand is no longer just a nice-to-have. It's your most powerful asset. Whether you're building a startup, growing a side hustle, or scaling a multi-million-dollar business, your brand is what sets you apart. Today, customers don't just buy products, they buy trust, authenticity, and connection. A strong personal brand helps you build credibility, attract more business opportunities, and stand out in a competitive market. So, what exactly is personal branding? It's the way you present yourself online and offline, your story, values, and expertise. Think of it as your reputation in the digital world. The stronger your brand, the more influence and authority you gain. People trust individuals more than faceless companies, which is why personal branding has never been more crucial. Here are 4 reasons why personal branding matters for entrepreneurs. 1. Trust is paramount. Trust is the cornerstone of customer relationships in every business. Users need to feel secure with the technology, the service, and the people behind it. Your personal brand establishes this trust by demonstrating transparency, knowledge, and accountability. An entrepreneur with a strong personal brand can reassure customers, investors, and partners that they are working with someone who is credible and ethical. 2. Differentiation in a crowded market. A well-crafted personal brand helps differentiate you and your company by showcasing your unique insights, experiences, and expertise. It also humanizes your business, allowing potential customers and partners to connect with you on a personal level, which can be a major advantage over competitors who remain faceless. For example, fintech is one of the fastest-growing sectors globally, with startups sprouting in every corner and innovation accelerating at a breakneck speed. With so much competition, standing out can be a challenge. 3. Attracting investors and partnerships. Investors are not just looking at your product or service, they're also evaluating you as a leader. Are you someone who can navigate challenges, pivot when necessary, and drive long-term value? A strong personal brand communicates your ability to lead and execute, making it easier to attract investment. Additionally, a well-established brand positions you as a thought leader, making you a more attractive partner to other entrepreneurs, brands, and institutions looking for collaboration. 4. Career flexibility. While your venture may be your primary focus, personal branding ensures you have career options beyond your current startup. Building your personal reputation as an expert in the field opens doors to advisory roles. Speaking. How to build your personal brand. 1. Define your niche and value proposition. Identify what makes you unique and the specific problem you solve. Focus on your expertise and how it sets you apart. A clear niche helps attract the right audience. 2. Leverage social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to showcase your expertise. Engage with your network by commenting, joining groups, and sharing valuable insights. Connecting with influencers and industry leaders can expand your reach. 3. Network and build relationships. Personal branding is about creating meaningful connections. Attend industry events, engage in discussions, and build relationships with investors, partners, and other professionals. Face-to-face interactions still hold value in a digital world. Create and share valuable content. Share insights through blogs, social media, videos, and podcasts. Position yourself as an industry expert by discussing problem-solving techniques. Harvard Business Review outlines 4 groups that can be instrumental in socializing your brand. Gatekeepers, those whose buy-in is critical to reaching your goals. Influencers, people with authority who can source additional platforms for sharing your brand. Promoters, those who actively support pursuing your goals. Communities, groups who share your mission or interests or seek the value you provide. Make sure to offer help and insights to others in your network without expecting anything in return. A strong personal brand is built on generosity, collaboration, and a genuine interest in others' success. Here are some takeaways for fintech entrepreneurs. Trust matters most. Differentiate yourself. Invest in content and visibility. Stay authentic. In conclusion, personal branding is not a luxury, it's a necessity for entrepreneurs. By strategically managing your reputation, sharing your expertise, and connecting with others, you'll create lasting opportunities for yourself and your business.